What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we got something a little different, something a little spur of the moment and special. We're going to a little bike meet, I guess, that my friend found that's like 15 minutes away from me, and he was like, yo, pull up. And I was like, okay, bet, bro. So that's what we're doing. It's at a Kawasaki dealership, actually, which is fitting. I'm on the OG Kawasaki, so maybe we'll see some new Kawasaki's. I don't know. I've never even heard of them having meets at this place. My friend just met some guy, and then my friend told me, so here we are, bruh. Heading that way. It is beautiful weather, though. 70s, of course. And sunny, unlike yesterday. Yesterday it was pouring down rain, but now we're sunny, thank God, bruh. Mini Cooper for sale. I think I'm good. Those are cool cars, but not reliable. And they're British, so you know how it be. Yee-hoo! Man, is it beautiful out here today. I'm a little tired. I only got like 5 hours of sleep last night, but you know, we're out here making videos. It does not matter. I'm still doing what I love. Yo, what the brothers? Dang, bro, meeting at the tavern on a Tuesday night. Alright, that's valid. Old heads know how to party, I guess. I see another dude up there on something. I can't tell what it is, though. Hey, the slammed cars. The slam 350Zs matching. Okay, I see you. Out in front of the crappy little house. Hey, that's valid. Cars before house. That's what I say. Uh-oh, somebody broke it down. Man, what? I don't even see them in there. Man, I don't get what the trend or whatever is with like these lifted and a lot of times squatted trucks. And they've got like the antenna and then the freaking spotlight on the back. Like, what is up with that? I see it all the time, especially in more like more country areas. All the freaking dudes are like, yeah, we got the little gang. I don't know what it's all about. Somebody let me know in the comments. Cause what the heck, man? Those little stutter pads or whatever don't even do anything on my bike. I don't even hear them. Usually you can hear like dun, 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 dun. I guess my wheels are too small. My tires are too small. Yes. Worst clutch up ever. I'm trying to work on my slow wheelies before I do fast ones. Before I do second gear and third gear and all that. Oh man, I hate when they chop up the road like this. So annoying. Oh wait, yeah, this is where they built that new like Publix and crap. And I guess some more neighborhoods too. Nice little road, I guess. Yeah, big old neighborhood right there. I think that's an old person neighborhood too. Perhaps. Alright, we're getting closer to the spot. Just a right turn up here. Oh, we got some traffic though. What am I reaching for, bro? I ain't got no blinkers. My fault, gang. Probably gonna be stuck at the stop sign for a little while. Make sure the fan's on. Getting a little toasty. I think it's up here on the left. Oh, we got a new traffic light too. Yeah, there it is. Hey bro, what the frick? I didn't even know this was going on. Let me look for my boy here. Bro, what the heck? This is sick. I didn't even know they freaking... This is 15 minutes from my house. I didn't even know they had these. Bro, what the frick?
I easily have bike here, but it's fine.
Is that the Jixer guy you met?
That's the same color scheme as David.
Wait, what was he like? The guy? Is he like a skinny white guy?
Yeah, he's got a full blue carbon helmet.
Yeah, that's the guy I freaking sold my R6 to, I'm pretty sure.
What?
Yeah.
Where is he? That is a fucking dope 636, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
You actually be stunting this thing?
I'm trying to learn. It's literally my first ever like stunt bike, so.
So you got the handbrake on that bitch and everything.
Yeah, I got the handbrake, got the cage, you got the giant sprocket, all that. Trying to learn, but it takes a while, man.
Brian would be proud, bro.
I know, he would. Yeah, that's why I got one of these, because of him, pretty much. Appreciate it, man. What you on?
I'm on that ZX11 over there.
Okay, sick. Ah, that's cool, man.
Alright, well, I'll catch you later.
Hey, bro, appreciate it.
Yeah, you come back to the
Huh?
You come back with this.
I know.
I had no idea this was
We are on the way.
Hey, when's your next video uploading?
Thursday?
Are you back on normal schedule?
Yeah. You'll see you'll see yourself, bro. You'll see your wheelies.
Oh, you got my wheelies on camera?
Yeah?
Nice.
They're pretty good.
The ones in the lot?
The ones in the lot.
Yeah. Did you video when we went to the lot?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I'm getting better at them. Freaking seat bump in second. I can get it way up, I just can't keep it. But it bottoms out pretty bad.
Dang, bro. I know you learned fast.
Oh.
You learned fast. Alright, y'all, we're heading out from the meet now. Apparently they have these on the first Tuesday of every month. At this little dealership. So I'm definitely finna start coming to these, bro, cause what the frick? These are awesome. My boy's not going the right way. But yeah, bro, sick meet. I saw a dude I knew there. I sold my first bike to him. And he was at the meet on a different bike, but it's still cool. Bro is going a different way. Oh, that was not my friend. Never mind. But yeah, I'll definitely start going to those for some content. Oh, where'd he go? Okay, I don't know. But it is getting a little dark and chilly now, and I'm just riding home. But hey, appreciate all y'all watching. Finally got some content I can do close to the house, so heck yeah, I'm excited. But anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Yo.